Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to compare Cuisinart EM-200 espresso maker and ICUIRE espresso coffee machine. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, go for ICUIRE espresso coffee machine that is priced at $119 only. Meanwhile, Cuisinart EM-200 espresso maker is priced at $249, which is almost double the cost of ICUIRE. Cuisinart EM-200 espresso maker offers 15 bars of pressure that ensures rich, flavorful espresso. On the other hand, ICUIRE espresso coffee machine uses a 20 bars professional pump and 1050W powerful pressure that extracts a golden rich crema for your coffee. It's perfect for coffee lovers who want to brew mellow espresso, latte, and cappuccino at home office like a professional barista. Cuisinart EM-200 espresso maker is programmable and offers pre-programmed cup sizes. It also has a steam nozzle for cappuccino or latte. ICUIRE espresso coffee machine, on the other hand, offers a touchscreen control panel and a compact design, perfect for your kitchen countertop without taking up too much space. ICUIRE espresso coffee machine offers a powerful steam wand that makes delicate milk foam for your favorite cappuccino to increase flavor, just the way you like. Cuisinart EM-200 espresso maker also has a steam nozzle for cappuccino or latte, but it may not offer the same level of foam quality as ICUIRE. ICUIRE espresso coffee machine allows you to customize your espresso volume to enjoy balanced and delicious espresso according to your taste to start your lucky day. 1 cup of 45 milliliters, 1.52 ounces, 2 cups of 90 milliliters, 3.04 ounces for the best concentration and flavor. Cuisinart EM-200 espresso maker brews single or double espresso and may not offer the same level of customization. That's all we have for today. We hope it was helpful in making your decision. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. See you in the next one.